Here's a quick hack you may not realize that Google offers. So you can actually find events that are happening in your area by using Google. Now, I don't know if this is for every area. I happen to be in Las Vegas, so there are a ton of events happening in Las Vegas. And I found this because I'm a hyperlocal blogger and I was blogging about things to do in Las Vegas on my ballenvegas.com website. So I went over to Google and I typed in Las Vegas events. Then, once I was here, I found this box right here that says events. Then you want to click search more events. Now, today, typical Vegas, today I wanted to see what was happening today. So I scrolled down and look, Las Vegas events today, Las Vegas events for kids, Las Vegas events tonight. So I'm going to go to today. Now, what I can see on the left-hand side is we've got concerts, festivals, free events, shows, nightlife. So this is fantastic for finding just everything that there is today. If I want to go see a show, so I can scroll down and I can look at all of these things that are happening. So here's a great example. The Pause Festival happening at Tivoli Village is very much a hyper-local event. That's not a major show that's happening. All right, so if I were to click on that, it would show up here on the right-hand side, and I can see the event, I can see where it's at, and this is from meetup.com. The next one, I can scroll down and see where that one is. So this is being fed from all kinds of different sources that people are posting their events on Google. Look at all these. I mean, so many. Here's another one. Unique Crafts Boutique at the Santa Fe Station. I had no idea that was even happening. It's a beautiful day outside in Las Vegas, and I was kind of thinking, what might there be to do today? Here's another one, Spring Fling at the Link. There's a gospel fest happening. My goodness, it just goes on and on and on and on. You can also go over to Facebook and type in events and look at things. These are going to be probably more hyper-local, even smaller events. But I did notice there's not near as many as there are on Google. So that's just a quick hack if you're looking for things to do.